Why?
Another Sunday cook. Today we're gonna cook grilled pork barbecue. Simple recipe, simple cook. Stay with me. It's time to marinate the sauce. Now let's marinate the beef. Amasita, barbecue sauce, silver swan soy sauce, sugar, banana ketchup, pepper, garlic. Now let's mix. Yun, sana. Done. Ah, yeah. Vinegar, sugar, onion, chili. Now for the taste test.
Oh my god.
Robbie and Ella. Pork barbecue and java rice.
Speechless. So good. Perfect.
Oh, good, good, good. Another success.
I want to eat na. I'm so hungry.
Eat na. Say eat na.
Eat na!
Wow, Dado, floor.
Eat na. Let's eat.
Why is there a ground beef here?
That was